So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now this will come up. And then once you run this, you're going to type in disk part. Click on enter. Wait for this to load. And then once this comes up, you now want to type in list space disk. Click on enter again. And you should now be seeing all your disks right here. You're going to find the disk that you're having a problem with. And now we're going to type in select space disk space and then the number of the disk that you're having a problem with. I've only got one disk, which is disk 0, so I'm going to type in select disk 0. In your case, you might be having more disk numbers than me. You're going to know which one is which by the size of the disk. So you just want to type in select disk and then the number of the disk. Now you're going to click on enter. And now after you select your disk, we're now going to type in clean and then click on enter. This is my virtual disk. I'm doing this for a tutorial, so that's why I got this error. But in your case, it should have now cleaned your disk. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.